The first part come to our side is our Microcyber's industrial communication chips and embedded modules. For when you come closer, you can see Microcyber's communication chip. We have a hard chip, FF chip. Our communication chips are especially designed for the manufacturers. If you are a manufacturer of instrument and if you want to develop your own protocol instrument, our communication chips will be a help. This is a very cost-efficient way, and moreover, we can provide you with OEM solution. We can provide you both solution and products. And moreover, we have the best after-sales service for you. And when you take the side into the second line, this is our embedded modules. For instance, this one, the embedded modules. This is a Modbus to heart embedded module. For instance, if you have the requirements to convert the Modbus signal into heart signal. For instance, if you got an instrument or flow meter or level transmitter, etc., but your communication protocol is Modbus, and you would like to have the protocol of heart, which means you would like the output signal being heart protocol, don't worry, Microcyber's embedded module will be a help. And don't forget, if you would like to test our embedded module, you will need a test board. It's designed by Microcyber. And meanwhile, we have the Modbus to Fieldbus embedded module, Modbus to Profibus PA embedded module, and Modbus to Profibus DP module. The most advantage of all these embedded modules are they are in the same size, and moreover, they are in the same interface. The same interface. We use the TTL pin interfaces, which means you can just develop one time and then you will achieve your instrument to have full communication protocols. For instance, you have if your equipment can use our M0310 Modbus to heart embedded module. Meanwhile, if you would like to develop your instrument into Profibus PA, Profibus PA, or Foundation Fieldbus protocols, you can just change one the embedded modules. It is very cost efficient and it is very convenient for you to develop the different protocols. And besides the embedded modules for the wired instrument, we still got the embedded modules for our wireless products. Especially, we have the technology of wireless heart. This is our wireless heart embedded module. Actually, this blue one, this green one is the embedded module. And it is the same. When you use the embedded module, you must use a test board. And the test board is attached with antenna. This one. And it could be also embedded into your instrument. And after test, you see, I can remove it from the pin interfaces. And after the testing, we can help you to develop your wireless heart products. I can install it. This one. And this is the communicate test board. You must need a test board because only use this test board you can have the antenna to convert to transmit the signal to the gateway. Later I will introduce the gateway first a little bit. And the third line of our modules will be our temperature modules and pressure modules. This is especially designed for the manufacturers or for the integrators who wants to assemble their own HART protocol pressure transmitters or temperature transmitters. For instance, you can just put this temperature HART communication module into the housing, and then you can assemble into the and then it will be a simple temperature transmitter, and which saves a lot of cost for you. And don't worry, we have the HART setup softwares for you for free to help you to configure your transmitters well and use your transmitters well. And after this communication chips and embedded modules, we will come to a small part, which is our HART products. And you can have a look. This is our temperature transmitter and a pressure transmitter and a temperature ding wheel temperature transmitter and a head-mounted temperature transmitter. Actually, this part we would like to show about the AMS. It is our AMS management, cloud management system. Actually, all of those are HART protocol devices, and we use a HART box. This is a HART multiple channel box. It can connect all the signals from the sensor layer. For instance, the temperature transmitters, the pressure transmitter, and the gathering the signal and through this HART box. All the signals will be transmitted to the EMS control system, as you see from the screen. This is Microcyber's new development of this year. We got AMS management system. And when we will move forward, we will move to the wireless HART product. Wireless HART, we are very proud to see that Microcyber is the unique one, is the first one in China to have the wireless HART technology, and moreover, we are awarded by the foundation. We got the certifications, and moreover, especially our wireless gateway device. The device is competitive with many unknown famous brands. For instance, it works with Schneider, it works with ABB, it works with Amazon, etc. So you don't worry. Each of your instruments, each of your control systems will work with our gateway devices. And the most important, the price is very competitive. So let's begin from the wireless heart adapter. This one is our wireless heart adapter. Wireless heart adapter. Some of my customers would ask why you need this box. Actually, this simulate using application environment when in the explosion environment, which is a explosion-proof box for the adapter. And this is a wireless heart repeater with LCD display. A wireless heart temperature transmitter. And when I put my hand on the sensors, I will see the change. And this is our wireless heart repeater. A repeater always plays the role as an adapter as well as a repeater. For instance, if you have the if the distance is too much long from the gateway devices, we can use a repeater. For instance, your instrument is too much long distance from your gateway device, and now we need a jumper, which is our repeater. The repeater could help your wireless heart network to communicate better and faster and timely. And so this one is our temperature transmitter at a wireless heart adapter. Actually, besides when we take away the adapter, this one is our normal wire heart protocol temperature transmitter. And when we connect with our wireless heart adapter, it will be a wireless heart temperature transmitter. This is really a great solution to help our clients to save the cost of the wireless heart network solution. And all of these wireless heart signals, all the signals will transmit to the wireless heart gateway. The gateway's function is to establish, maintenance, and manage the network of wireless heart. And then, after receiving the information, the signals from the devices, the gateway will communicate with the control system. And moreover, we have the intrinsic safety wireless heart adapter. We got the certifications for you, and we have the normal wireless heart adapters to prove you can choose any of them in your different application environment. And when we move to the Foundation Fieldbus Products area. From the below, I would like to tell this is our FF protocol pressure transmitters. This uses the capacitance sensors. Our differential pressure transmitter adopts this type of sensors. And this is a Fieldbus to current converter, which help you to convert the Fieldbus signal into the current signal. And this is the current to Fieldbus converter, can convert the current signal into Fieldbus signal. The last one is our temperature transmitter. It is a Foundation Fieldbus protocol. And moreover, this is a head-mounted a head-mounted temperature transmitter. I can't take over it. In it, there is a head-mounted temperature transmitter, and this is the sensor. So at the same time, when I hold the temperature sensor, actually we can see the change of the finger of the number, because it was connected together. It was connected here. We can see the change of the temperature. You see, now it's 31. When I hold this, it changes. But the changes is not too clearly, but it changes. Because my hands is quite the same with the sensors environment same. And when we move forward, we will see the distributor. Microcyber provides you with two types of distributor. One is with 8-channel Fieldbus distributor, and the other is 4 channels, which means you can connect 8 Fieldbus devices, and this one you can connect 4 Fieldbus devices. And there is a strong point, a shining point of this Fieldbus distributor, which is there is an automatic bus terminator. We all know that the foundation Fieldbus hasn't character, which is it needs 2 terminals. If there is only 1 terminal, then the foundation Fieldbus won't work, because it will need another terminal, right? So our distributor will have an automatically bus terminator, and this is our shining point. And we are very proud to see that in China we are the only supplier for this product. And here we come to a competitor compared with Rosemont's 848T number, because this is a foundation Fieldbus transmitter of 8 channels, which means you can connect with 8 temperature sensors, with 8 temperature transmitters. Moreover, there are LED indicators in it, and we got this certification from Fieldbus Foundation. When you're connecting the HART protocol interface, our gateway devices could help you to convert the HART device into the foundation Fieldbus device. And this is what our gateway devices works, to convert the HART protocol device into foundation Fieldbus protocols and then communicate with the control systems. For instance, this G1013, he adopts the HART signal and converts into foundation Fieldbus signal. And when you connect the Modbus protocol products devices, we can also help you, our gateway can help you, your Modbus device, to convert the device signal into foundation Fieldbus and then communicate with the control system. And then this is the Fieldbus power conditioner and the Fieldbus terminators. For instance, we all know that foundation Fieldbus needs power. This is what we can provide you. This is a Fieldbus power conditioner. And meanwhile, you will need another Fieldbus terminator when you didn't use the junction box. This is the Fieldbus terminator. After receiving all the Fieldbus signals, all of those signals will be transmitted to our FMX1 control system. This is our own control system, which is developed by Microcyber. Our control system will talk through the gateway device. We will convert all the information, all these signals to our control system. As you see, the cloud management system. In this part, we can see all these foundation Fieldbus protocol devices work normally. They work connectively, and then we can manage and we can control all the devices on our online platform. The fourth part is our Profibus Products. Microcyber provides you with Profibus PA and Profibus DP protocols products. For let's see here, Profibus protocol temperature transmitter. They found current to Fieldbus converter and the temperature transmitter. And the temperature transmitter, we got all the temperature transmitter and the pressure transmitters with all protocols, with hard protocol, foundation Fieldbus protocol, with Profibus PA, with Profibus DP protocols. Okay, and then all of these Profibus protocols, we can also use it to use a distributor, Fieldbus distributor, to gathering all the down layers products. And moreover, the shining points we don't forget, because this is automatic bus terminations, which means if you use Microcyber's junction box, when you use Microcyber's field distributor, you don't need to buy the terminator. You don't need to buy the terminator because there is automatic bus terminators. And this is the Profibus PA protocol temperature transmitters with 8 channels. Here is the gateway devices. We got the Modbus to Profibus PA gateway and Modbus to Profibus DP gateway, which means through our gateway devices, you can connect your Modbus instrument or connect your Modbus instrument and communicate to help your instrument to communicate with the Profibus PA system or with the Profibus DP systems. Actually, this is a coupler. How does the coupler work? Because it will put the Profibus PA protocol to work with Profibus DP together, and through this coupler, we just combine both Profibus PA and Profibus DP together to convert the signal into the control system. So if you have the requirements of this type, our coupler can be also your help. And after converting all these signals into the control system, we can also see all of our products information, all their values by our cloud, Microcyber cloud management system. They are working normally. This is our NCS 4000 control system. As you see from there, the control system will be connected with the cloud gateway, and the gateway will be linked with our platform. And this is all the information about our Profibus PA products. So if you are interested or you have any doubts or you have any requirements based on the Profibus products, welcome for connecting. We are very proud to see that we are strong manufacturer in China of the Profibus products. The last part of the of our products of the communication protocol will be the HART protocol. The HART protocol, I would like to say that we are also a member of HART Foundation, and also our HART protocol also involves the pressure transmitter, the pressure transmitter of the fusion sequence sensor, the temperature transmitter. I would like to say that we got two types of temperature transmitter. Our pressure transmitter can measure both gauge pressure, differential pressure, and absolute pressure. You can measure the differential pressure by our capacitive sensor type pressure transmitter. And when you're looking for the gauge pressure transmitter, my suggestion is to choose the fusion silicon pressure transmitter. And here is the temperature transmitter, also head-mounted temperature transmitter. Oh, I can click over this. Yeah, as you can see here, this is a head-mounted temperature transmitter in the head brackets. And then below, this is the sensor. And this is our TT106 HART protocol DIN wheel. This is a dual channel sensor input DIN wheel temperature transmitter. So if you enhance the projects that need two channels temperature input temperature transmitter, welcome for your connecting. We can help you. And this is the single channel input DIN wheel temperature transmitter. And the protection level will be IP20, as we mentioned in the morning, because the cover. And this is our Modbus to HART protocol gateway, converted gateway. For you can connect your Modbus device and convert the Modbus signal into a HART signal, and then through the gateway, it can communicate with the control systems. The last one gateway is our popular star. This is a HART to Modbus gateway, which means it can help your HART device to work with a Modbus control system. And through the by converting all the HART signals to the cloud gateway, the gateway will pass all the information and data on the control platform. So we can see all the status, all the condition of all the HART devices. And as you see from the screen. And this part is our wireless HART display. We can see the adapter, the temperature transmitters, the temperature plus adapter, the wireless HART temperature transmitter. Okay, I think this is so much for all our product ranges. And you know, Microcyber always want to provide with our customers with the global connectivity, and this is our aim. This is always our long consistent aim to bring the more convenient solutions, to bring our customers with best quality products